Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, this time this episode is a little bit special because I have I would say a small announcement to make. So what I'm about to tell you is first of all, it's gonna make me happy. Second of all, it's gonna make you probably even happier, or the other way around. What I managed to get today is a lot of small metal pieces for my E30. Yep, you probably already forgot why I even started this channel. It was because of the E30. I wanted to show you everything I do with the car and so on. And well, it came to small different projects, you know, the E39 and the E28 and stuff like that. But at this point, none of this doesn't even matter anymore. I'm gonna do unboxing today and I'm gonna reveal what I got, and finally we can move forward with the E30 project, which is really good news for me. Can you see my emotions? I'm smiling like a joker. But anyway, I'm gonna unbox the package. I'm gonna show you what I bought, and I'm trying to talk you through everything, and then I'm gonna end the video. It's gonna be short, but I think informative. But yeah, let's check what's in the box. First of all, I have to give big thanks and thumbs up to Lithuania and to Valkas Garage, because most of the chassis parts are not available, and they are not, or the factory doesn't produce them at all. So this is the place where Valkas Garage comes to help and helps the people who are restoring the E30s. So go check their website. I hope they can help you as well, and you can see what they have. And also I'm gonna leave you the Valkas Garage link in the description, so everybody can just go and check it out. There's all kinds of stuff, so I'm not gonna keep listing them. So, but yeah. They sent us paper. Let's start with the smaller packages. Smells good. Wunderbaum. These are the front corners, left and right. Also the jacking points, and I don't know, something more. This is for the front battery. Mine has the battery in the front, and I'm gonna keep it that way. So, but the battery bottom is quite bad, so I decided to replace it. On the wall, on the sides are fine, but the bottom itself, it's a bit bad, so new. Should be left outer wheel arch, inner wheel arch, and the front parts. In the front, between the nose frame and the strut towers. This one I actually bought by accident. This is the left side rear bottom piece, but those I needed. Left bottom piece and the right bottom piece, those are really bad, so we're gonna replace these as well. And it's empty. This was the short unboxing. There were not many parts, but just the ones I needed the most, so we can continue restoring my E30. Most of the parts are unavailable at the dealership, and some of them were never available at all. Big shout out once again for Valkas Garage to help me out with the parts. The quality is really good, and the parts arrived quickly, and the price range is also affordable. I leave the link in the description so you can go and check it out. Maybe there is something you need for your old BMW. But yeah, this is the amount of parts I got, and basically, if I remember correctly, all the metal parts what I need to continue the restoring the E30 should be lying here on the floor. But I'm 100% sure that this is not it. When he's gonna cut out the chassis piece by piece, there's gonna be a lot of more. But at the moment we can go with that. We can start moving forward, or we can go on with the project, because I have been waiting for so long to get these parts. Yeah, well, I had small financial issues in the past, and that's why I had to wait before ordering the parts. Here it's approximately 800 euros. Just these. I can't wait to go and see the car. This will be, by the way, soon. But yeah, there's nothing much to talk about actually. Finally, I have some news, and I have some updates about my E30, so I think it's already a good progress, I would say. And as soon as I get more information, I will definitely share that with you. I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you for watching that small unboxing video, and I really hope that we will see you soon. Take care and see you. Bye bye.